Hey Raza, this is Jonathan, and I wanted to place one more order to just wrap up some of the finishing details that I was noticing on here. I think you're doing a great job. It's just not quite exactly an exact match yet. So I just wanted to mention a couple of the things that I'd like to keep working on. One of them is the height of this call to action area right here. If we go over to the other example, we'll see that it's a lot taller. There's more space there. So I'd like you to adjust that so that it's taller. Also the same case down here, so that it'll be the same height down there. The other thing is I just wanted to show you the difference when it's time to use the site in a responsive way. If I move the site like this, you see what happens here. I have some white space that shows up on the side. And if I go to the other example, it has some correct spacing. See how the text, also how the text looks here, and then compare that to how the text looks here. It's kind of running a little bit too close over to this video image. Basically, it looks like this video needs to show up as a smaller size than it is right here. And then if we go back to the other example and scroll down, you can see the placement of this image and of the text, and then the placement of this image and the text. It's pretty close actually, but we've got this white space over here that's showing up on the side. This is also looking pretty good down here too. So basically there's just a few other small details like that I wanted to address so that it really will look and function in the same way. And that would be a good thing to do, is to pull up these screens when you're done doing the adjustments and just kind of go back and forth between these two to move it around and say, okay, what's this doing and how does this look, and does that match with the example and how that looks. So just some finishing touches I'd like to do. And also I want this to behave the same way on phones and on mobile view, and the same way that it will in the example. So that's something else that I want to make sure is happening with it. And I'll go ahead and place another $10 order to cover that.